Fear of failure. It's the greatest motivational tool. It drives me and drives me and drives me. Oh, here's another one. Poetry was the greatest motivating factor in my life. And another one. Motivation will almost always beat mere talent. And it's the last one. A creative man is motivated by the desire to achieve, not the desire to beat anyone else. You guessed it right. Our today's video is about motivation. What is motivation? And how does it help into our life? How does it fit into our life? So, the purpose of today's video is that you must understand what is motivation. How does it come? You ought to feel it or not to feel it in order to do something. When you are in that state of controlling motivation, you will be able to do everything in your life. You will be able to analyze if you are whether you must do something or not do something, and if you want to do something and you are not having the enough motivation to do it, why is it and how can you get it back? So without wasting any time, let's get started. So hey guys, this is Naveen and you are here because you have a spark inside yourself to do great things, and we empower you with the tools to help you achieve that. So first question, what is motivation? Motivation is your desire, your inclination to do something. It may be any task, it may be any long-term project or anything else. If a donkey is wanting to eat a carrot, it's his motivation. If he wants to go away from something, it is motivation. So your motivation can be towards something or away from something. But the topic of today's video is understanding where does motivation comes from. So some time ago I encountered a tool which helped me understand what is motivation and how it applies, how it comes and goes in different specific areas of my life. So the tool is, it is a simple equation which helps me understand motivation. So the equation is ambition plus expectancy is equal to motivation. Again, ambition plus expectancy is equal to motivation. So let us go through them one by one. Ambition. What is ambition? Ambition is your desire, your want, your need to do something or to get away from something. Ambition is your desire to do something or get away from something. You want to buy a car, it is your desire. You have a fear of water, and when you go to a swimming pool, you want to get away from it. It is your desire to get away from the pool. So desire can be positive and it can also be negative. The second is expectancy. Now this is the part where most people misunderstand it. This is the part where most people stumble. They have desire for most of the things, most of the good things in life, but what lacks in them is expectancy. Expectancy is something like a belief in your ability to do that specific thing. If you want something and you don't believe it is possible, you don't expect it to happen, it will not happen. Your mind will not provide the resources to do it. So in order to have the motivation required, you must have the desire and you must also have the motivation. You must also have the expectancy. You must expect it to happen. You must have a belief in it and you must also have a plan for it. So this is called motivation, when you have the ambition and expectancy. And after having learned this tool, what I want you to do, I want you to understand yourself. You have a data set from your past. You have lived a whole lot of life in the past. You have different stories, different connections, different experiences. Go through them once again. go through some of them where you were motivated, where you felt motivated, where you didn't felt motivated, and try to find out what motivated you. What was the motivation behind your actions? How were you feeling? What were you thinking? What was your state? Define all those things and apply this equation that I have provided you in those specific areas. You must find there the tools you need to provide you with the motivation in the future. When you will understand yourself that what motivates you, is the ambition missing or the expectancy missing? When you understand these things on a daily basis, you will be able to do the tasks that are actually essential, that will actually make progress for you without thinking about the motivation from them. So that's what I wanted to give you in this video. I want you to understand yourself. I hope I have provided you with a tool to understand what motivates you, so that you can do the tasks that require without the hindrance of the motivation you feel or you don't feel for that. So thank you guys. I'll take a leave.